Today we're unboxing Barbie the movie rollerblading Ken doll. On the back of the box, it says, "Greetings from Barbie Land, wishing you the best day ever." Let's get Ken out of the box. So here is Ken out of the box. His hair is not painted on, but it is really hard and kind of all stuck together. He wears a hot pink visor that has blue on the front, purple, orange, and yellow. And you just put it on his head and it stays. He wears this colorful vest. The base color is a bright pink. And then we see some blue swirls, red, orange, purple, white going across it that looks like chalk. And the vest is separate from the shirt. His shirt is just a hot pink. Then he wears this neon yellow fanny pack, which has where you can adjust it in the back, the size of it, and unbutton it. His shorts are not attached to the shirt. All three pieces are separate. And his bottoms match the pattern of his vest. Then he has some neon yellow wristbands that can be removed. He has neon yellow knee pads that strap in the back, and they can be adjusted. Then we have his neon yellow roller skates. The tongue of it is white and it says Impala. The straps and laces that are painted on are a hot pink. Then we see the brand name again on the side, written in pink this time instead of yellow. The wheels on the roller blades actually turn. His head turns. His arms go back, forth, out to the side. He can bend at the elbow, and he has movement at the wrist. He can sit. His knees can bend. His legs can go back and forward. So that's rollerblading Ken from Barbie the movie. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.